the school is doing a great job. They've tried to mold the ways, they've bent the rules, but they've remodified the entire journey. That's something which we need to, give them a thumbs up.
Infinity, thank you so very much. You are a blessing to my kids.
I give full marks to Infinity in all aspects, be it education or sports or infrastructure, library, management, admin.
We were very much impressed by the principal ma'am. So we have a very great interaction.
Amalgamating all the things that the child needs to be developed, inculcate all the values.
My daughter is independent at this age, and she knows the ownership of taking classes, and she knows if she has not taken classes, she has done something wrong.